This is a 23-story building. I have done the seismic analysis of this building and designed for it. So first I have defined the seismic load in define menu, then load patterns. Here seismic load I have defined. You can modify lateral load. Here zone factor 0.1 according to the location of the building, that is in Bangalore. Site type 2, importance factor 1, response reduction factor 3, cancel. Then define functions response spectrum. This I have defined as per IS. Here you can give IS 1893. Modify. Here 0.05% damping ratio for RCC building, 2% for steel structure, 0.1 zone factor, soil type 2, linear X, linear Y, dot options. Okay. Then here you can also define the time history function. Here I have the time history function of this. So modify show function. In the browse option, you can get the time history function in the ETAP software. These all are time history function of different areas. So you can select any one of them. Then put the view file and put header lines to skip number of points per line by viewing file. And then fix format. Okay. Then in the define menu, load cases. Here you can select which load cases. When time history is there, response spectrum, we do not need to add this in load cases. So here you can add new case. Then load combination. These are the load combination as per code. So in case of seismic load, we do not have to assign it to the building. It's automatically assigned to the whole structure. We only need to define the loads. Then analysis. Here set load cases to run. Response spectrum, time history. Then in case of response spectrum of time history, we do not need to run the dead and live load cases. So run now. I've already run the analysis and done the design. Here concrete frame design. You can verify all members. All concrete frame passed the design check. So the design is okay. And in detailing section, you can view all the detailing files, cover sheets, then sections, framing plans, column schedule, beam schedule, layout, everything you can view. And in the display option, you can view the stress diagram. For example, say shear stresses for seismic and ply. So these are you can get the values by pointing the mouse cursor at any joint. So this was the seismic design I have done for the 23-story building. Thank you.